How to unclog and treat the kitchen sink drain. Keeping the house clean and tidy at all times without effort would be wonderful, right? Clean house in a moment. The reality, unfortunately, is quite different, but that does not mean that you need to spend hours of your day every day to keep the house organized and clean. On our channel we've shared many tips on how to keep the home clean and tidy, but today's tips are specifically for the kitchen sink drain. As you know, it is one of the dirtiest places of your home, and as such you want to pay regular attention to it. However, a few simple tricks can help you waste less time to unclog a sink drain, so you can do more of what you really enjoy. If you have not yet subscribed to our channel, you should do so now and click on the bell icon to receive a notification on every new video we upload. How the sink drain clogs? The clogged sink drain is synonymous with stress. This is a problem that can take the joy out of the whole family. The biggest villains for clogging sink drains are the layers of fat that prevent the flow of the rest of the liquids. Remains of food and oils that, over time, solidify inside the pipes also cause clogging. Sometimes the sign of clogging starts slowly. When you realize that the water begins to run out slowly, it is already a warning that something needs to be done. No one is free from this situation, but it is possible to avoid it. Check out some tips on maintenance and cleaning of the sink drain. To keep sink drains running smooth. Each week, pour 60 grams half a cup baking soda in drain and about 225 milliliters 1 cup vinegar. This mixture will make a very bubbly sound and foam. If the water still doesn't drain properly, do another round of this cleaning method. Don't add more vinegar if there is not any bubbly sound in the drain. Do the same with your hot tap water and let it flow in the drain for some minutes. Daily treatment will help keep your drain and its pipes free. Sink drains unblocking. To unclog a drain, try a plunger first, and then pour 1 cup baking soda in the drain followed by 1 cup of vinegar. This mixture will help remove clogs, because when baking soda and vinegar mix, they start to foam and expand. This reaction of baking soda and vinegar will break fatty acid in smaller parts. Allow a few minutes for the mixture to do its reaction and then flush with hot water for several minutes. If you have used a commercial drain opener product, don't use vinegar because it may create dangerous fumes in drain by reacting with commercial cleaner. Have a filter in the sink of your kitchen that is at the entrance of the pipe to stop very solid objects entering in the sink drain. Sink drains to freshen. To keep sink drains fresh, sprinkle some baking soda down the drain and pour a green all-purpose cleaner on top. Then turn the water on and let it rinse down. It will deodorize your drain and remove any clogs stuck in your drain. Have you tried this natural sink drain treatment method and found it effective? Tell us in the comments if you know of this trick or any others you can share with us.